What's up, guys? I'm going on my scooter. I'm gonna go for a quick little drive. Also, I'm recording on my phone. I have to hold it. Also, I don't know where to go. I'm probably just gonna go down my street. I don't know. I should just do this. I'm getting a GoPro. I'm gonna get a GoPro because this is pretty sketchy. I might fuck crash. I don't know. It's kind of sketch. I have nothing to hold my phone though. I took off the phone holder kind of sucked anyway. It was never actually good, so it don't really matter. I guess. Look at that, I'm cruising. Hey, I took cruise control off. I thought it was too sketch. I had to slow down. I just hit 30. Also, I'm gonna jailbreak this. I need a Samsung. What's that? There's like the app. The app is only on like. Oh, look at the fucking cat. Go. Man, that'd be pretty unfortunate. But yeah, I'm just ripping. It's gonna be pretty boring. I'm kind of just driving my scooter. I'm not going far. Actually, oh no. I have good battery. Oh, my display's glitching. I'm at 3 bars though, and the max bars is 5. I have a battery problem though. So yeah. Oh, I'm doing a build on this. It's not really a build, I'm just modifying it. Like to make it look better. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because I'm not even talking loud. It's not really talking loud. Everyone's gonna think I'm stupid. Or I'm delusional or something. Yo, look at that ramp. Imagine, I wanna hit that. Look at that ramp. That'd be pretty crazy to hit. That'd be pretty crazy to hit. I'm gonna eat shit. I'm gonna eat shit, bro. Bro, I'm going to Archer Street. That shit. I'm going on this street. It's pretty sketch. It's just hard. I'm recording. I'm driving one hand. See? One-hander. Everyone keeps telling me to get the thing that makes the throttle thing like a dirt bike. I'm gonna stop. Everyone keeps telling me to get like a throttle thing, so like you slip it over your grip, and it goes over this. So you're gonna go like that. But that's pretty stupid. It's also, I'm getting new grips, and I can't really use them if I have them. This fun. This was fun. My kickstand did not work. Yeah, I forgot about that. Wait. Yeah, that's pretty sick. What's that? That's pretty. I don't know why it's flickering. Y'all can see though. Oh, it's almost 3rd. It's 3.5. I feel weird. I have to get back. This is pretty slay. It's ripping. I'm gonna put the thing closer to my mouth. Maybe you guys can hear me a little bit better and get a better view, just in general. Oh, this is good. Oh, I hate slowing down with one hand. I was even there. I'm just ripping. I got little kids looking at me. I'm loving this. So this is a 9 F40. I'm looking. I want a G2 Max, but those things are so expensive. I don't know. I want one so bad. What should I do? I want to make a longer video. So I don't, because like you guys actually watch the other 2 videos. Like I had to like just make a blank or a photo for like a while to make the video longer, because it would just go into a short if I had it for a couple minutes. I was honking on. What did I do? What the fuck did I do? They're angry at me. I'm locally hated on the street. I'm hated on the street. Everyone hates me on the street. I don't know what that was about. Oh no, that guy is just neat. That guy's neat. I'm hauling ass. I'm going. Can't really see. I'm going 25. That's not that bad. That's pretty good for speed. I'm just on that kid. I don't know what that is. Oh, I need something. Okay, I'm gonna slowly let go of the throttle so I don't fucking something happens. Okay, I'm good. I'm going up my road. I'm gonna go to the top. I'm gonna go to the top of my road. There was a drink shop a couple days ago. Like, they had good drinks. They were so expensive. So I'm hauling up my street. Especially going uphill is crazy. Oh, I almost ate it. I almost died. Dead. I'm dead. Okay, you guys can barely hear me, probably. You guys can probably barely hear me. Oh, shit. But I'm here. I'm trying to talk. Okay, I actually messed up. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh frick. Okay, I'm good. Look at this shit though. This place is crazy. This is at the top of my road. Like, look at this. That's crazy. Look down there. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I think it's long enough. And I want to keep recording. What should I do? I don't know. There's nowhere really to go right now because I can't go far. Oh, by the way, if I sound weird and kind of sick, but fuck that. Okay, first gonna leave. I'm just gonna go practice and then I'm gonna end it. Why does it flicker like that? Sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes it doesn't. That's pretty weird. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. How did I do that? How did I do that? I don't know how I just did that. I don't know how I just did that. I'm hauling ass. I'm hauling. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Oh no. Yo! No, I broke it. I broke my scooter. How did that happen? Bro, that's... Oh my god, it fell. Nah. That's crazy. Bro, I broke it. Yo! I didn't break it. I think my hubcap just gone. Where's my hubcap? I don't even know where my hubcap went. Oh, my brother's gonna be pissed. I'm not gonna tell him. I'm just not gonna tell him. I'm gonna fix this. Why did that... No. Okay. Looks like I have to order a new hubcap now. It sucks. Okay. Bye, guys.